Hello there, so today we're just going to do a quick demonstration of the Cyber Letterbox kit. So we're going to use it to actually show us coming in through this door. This particular door has got just a normal Yale lock on it, and with this particular sort of door and frame combination, if we were doing this for real, we actually wouldn't use Letterbox kit, we would actually slip it, but obviously this could be something like an auto deadlocking latch lock, in which case we would not be able to slip it, but this will still work. So we're showing you to demonstrate how it works. So first of all, we're going to show you using this lever flipper attachment, and then we're also going to show you using this rubber gripper attachment. So we'll do it with the lever flipper first. So we got that, but as you saw, this particular attachment does tend to sort of like slip off these sorts of levers a little bit. But you know, as you saw there, we got it in the end. So what sometimes tends to be quicker with these sorts of handles is to use the rubber gripper tool, and that's what we're going to show you next. And that's with the rubber gripper tool. It takes a bit more effort to sort of get it on there correctly, but once it's on there, it does kind of work more easily. So there you go. So thank you for watching, and we're going to do maybe a couple more of these videos showing some of the other attachments as well. So that's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.